A clear travel goal. Lucas, I need to plan our trip to London today, or the prices will go up.
Good idea. We know the city, but we still need dates and a budget.
I can travel in the second week of May. Does that work for you?
Yes, I can take 4 days off work then.
4 days sounds perfect. We can visit museums, walk by the river, and try local food.
I also want to see a show, but we should not spend too much.
Let's settle in it. Maybe €600 each for everything?
That is possible if we find cheap flights and a simple hotel.
There is a travel agency near here. We can ask about flight times.
Great. Let's go after we finish our coffee.
I will write down our dates, budget, and places we want to visit.
Perfect. This trip is starting to feel real.
Choosing flights. Hi, we want to travel to London in the second week of May.
Of course. How many people are traveling?
2 people. We want to stay for 4 days.
Do you prefer morning flights or evening flights?
Morning is better. We do not want to lose the first day.
There is a flight at 8:30. It is cheaper than the later one.
That sounds good. What time does it arrive?
It arrives at 10:15 local time.
Is one small suitcase included?
Yes, one cabin bag is included for each person.
Can you hold this option until tomorrow morning?
Yes, I can hold it for 24 hours.
Great. I need to check the hotel before we pay.
No problem. Bring the hotel details and we can finish the booking.
Checking the budget. The flight option is good, but we must check the total cost.
How much are the flights for both of us?
They are €240 each.
Okay, that leaves money for the hotel, food, and transport.
I found a hotel near the train station. It is not expensive.
Is the area safe and easy for tourists?
The reviews say it is safe and close to the underground.
Good. How much is it for 3 nights?
€300 in total, with breakfast included.
That helps. Breakfast in London can be expensive.
If we choose this hotel, we stay under our limit.
Then, let's call and ask about the room.
I will call now. I want to know if we can check in early.
Ask about free cancellation too, just in case.
Confirming the hotel. Hello. I am calling about a room for 3 nights in May.
Hello, I can help you. What dates do you need?
From May 10th to May 13th for 2 people.
Yes, we have a double room available for those dates.
Is breakfast included in the price?
Yes, breakfast is included from 7 to 10.
Great. Can we check in before 2 o'clock?
Early check-in is possible if the room is ready.
And is there free cancellation?
Yes, you can cancel for free until 2 days before arrival.
Then I would like to reserve the room, please.
Of course, I will send the confirmation by email.
Thank you. This makes our plan much easier.
You are welcome. We look forward to seeing you in London.
The final plan. We have the flights, the hotel, and the budget. Now we need the daily plan.
Good. What should we do on the first day?
After check-in, we can walk by the river and see Tower Bridge.
That is easy and not expensive.
On the second day, we can visit the British Museum in the morning.
And in the afternoon, we can go to a market for lunch.
Perfect. For transport, we should use the underground and walk when possible.
I will download the transport app before we leave.
Do not forget a power adapter. The plugs are different there.
Good point. I will put it on our packing list.
So, flights are reserved, hotel is confirmed, and our plan is ready.
Yes. We only need to pack and pay for the flights tomorrow.
I feel much better now. Planning early was the right choice.
London, here we come.